Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to see what we get in Ford Pass for Ford Freestyle. This Ford Pass app works for all the BS6 Ford cars. I am owning a Ford Freestyle and I have activated it. It took around some 20 minutes to activate this Ford Pass for my vehicle. The UI looks more or less similar to what you see for EcoSports as well. Only thing is you may not get the tire pressure monitoring system for Ford Freestyle. So it doesn't get much of the connected feature what you see in what you get in Hyundai or Kia cars. But this is looks very basic, but it's usable. I am satisfied with this. Let's see what are the features we get for Ford Freestyle from this Ford Pass app. The first one is the fuel level, the distance to empty. So after completing my trip, I used to miss noting the amount of fuel left in the vehicle. So I don't want to go back and turn on the car to see the level of fuel left in the vehicle. I can just use the Ford Pass app. It will show me the distance to empty, the amount of fuel left in the vehicle. And if it is not up to date, you can just click on this refresh button and it will get updated. It is pretty much it is working fine so far without any issue. Also, I can check the odometer reading, and that is also one of the cool thing in this Ford Pass app. So these two are the things which I am using a lot. And in case when I am going out and I have parked the vehicle, for example, if I am staying in a hotel when I have went for any trip, in that case I used to just check the vehicle location, and it will clearly show where your vehicle is parked. So this one is also working really fine. So this is one of uh, the cool features in this Ford Pass. So mostly I use for the distance to empty and the Vodo and the vehicle location in case when I am out for any trip and I would like to just check whether my vehicle is still present in the area where I have parked. I just used to locate my vehicle in the midnight or so. This connectivity settings you have to turn on both, then only the vehicle data will get updated. Apart from this door locking unlocking feature is provided, but it works fine only when your car is in the open area. I believe if I give a command now, I don't think it will work. Let me give a try. It will be keep on rotating, but it will never respond. It will throw some errors as my mobile data is also very low and my car is also in a covered parking now. Oh, it seems to be worked. I think it's it has worked now. The door has unlocked. I need to check my vehicle whether it has really unlocked it or not. I will do it in a minute. Let me try to close it. I have been trying this yesterday also and even in this morning, but it didn't work. But now it seems like it has unlocked the vehicle. And let me try to lock it again. Yeah, it has locked, and I'm able to hear the locking sound of my vehicle. Apart from this, the feature which you will get in this Ford part is if you click this one, it will, and if you have your uh, location turned on in your mobile, and if you have your location turned on in your mobile, then it will locate the Ford dealers near you. So it is 8.8 kilometer from my location actually. So it's JC Ford Nagarkoil. So you can give your car for any service, or you can reach out to them if you need to get clarified any of your doubts, or if you have any issue with your car, you can reach to them. Apart from this, I recently serviced my vehicle. I'm just waiting for the service history to get updated, and still I'm following up with the dealer because the data has to be sent by the dealer to the Ford. so that it will get updated in Ford database, and same we can see in the Ford Pass as well. Also, I have chosen Chennai Ford as my favorite dealer in this app. Dealer, if you select the dealer, whichever dealer you want as a favorite, then you can immediately call the dealer from your from the app itself. So it will take you to your dialer, and from there you can dial it. So maintenance schedule, that will be similar to what you see in your manual as well. Okay, it got crashed. And the roadside assistant as well, you can make a call from here. So these are the features available in the Ford Pass. And yeah, that's it for the day today. Thank you. Bye.